Hey guys, cooldomino here, and yeah, I'm in a different spot for the unboxing. This is a spot welder in the back, which I'll do another video on my second channel. This is, let's go ahead and open this up. Packaged it pretty well. There we go. Alright, there's nothing else left in the box. I just want to unwrap it. One sheet of newspaper. And here it is. Spectralert Advance. Now this is a really cool device. It actually feels very sturdy. That's a Spectralert Advance. I'm going to grab my screwdriver. I think I have it in my toolbox. Okay, this screwdriver works. There we go. I don't want to break it. There we go. Okay, here we are. Here's the back of the Spectralert. So, let me focus this real quick. Sorry about the camera noise. Alright, that works. So, I think you can see that. Screw out. I think the screws. Nope. So, let me go ahead and focus this one more time. Alright, so this here looks to be like your tone selection right here. Let's see what it says. Okay, so it looks like there's volume settings. I'm just going to set it to low volume. So you got a shredded screwdriver, temporarily low. This is your candela selection. In case you're wondering what candela is, it means the brightness of the strobe. And it's just, okay, it's at 115 candela. Now if I change this, watch the numbers at the bottom. And switch. I'm just going to leave it at 15 candela. Yeah, it's at 15 candela. It's a little dusty. I have to dust that sometime. And here is the weather resistant back box here. Here, let me get this focused real quick. Yeah, I'm using autofocus. There you go. Now here is the back box right here. This is a weather resistant back box, which is nice. It looks like you could attach it on with these two screws right here, which I might do for now while I test it. Alright, let's go ahead and undo these screws. That's the mounting plate where this sits on. Like that. Like that. I'll have to figure that out in a sec. So, I think this this goes on to the mounting. Here, let me bring my display board over. Yeah, what's nice about, I made a design modification on my display board because you can now roll it, which is pretty cool. I'll eventually do a design overview. I already went ahead here and wired up my back box here. I'm gonna focus. Yeah, I gotta get a non-squeaky lens sometime. Okay, let me go ahead and get my back box. This mounting bracket on, just like that. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. I'll be right back once I'm set up. Alright, I think I got it wired up correctly. So now let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it sounds like. Or let's have it wiring on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of funny because I unplug it. This has like a capacitor. Alright, I'm going to change the tone real quick. And then I'm going to do it again. Let's see what this sounds like. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So that's what continuous sounds like. Now, just because I can, I'm going to see how loud it is if I set it to high volume. Because I heard this is the loudest alarm right here. See what that sounds like. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty loud. It seems it's also pretty loud with my hearing protection. So I'm actually going to turn down the volume. I'll be right back once I have this on the board. Alright, so I now have my Spectralert Advance mounted next to my Gentex Commander 3. This is pretty cool. Yep, those are my two devices. So, and down here I have the same pole stations as last time. So, let's go ahead and activate the notifier BNG1TS, I think. I don't know, remember. I'll put it on the screen right now. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, another thing I noticed is the circuit problem has finally fixed itself. I had a problem indicating 1, but I finally, for some reason, fixed that. Alright, now let's go ahead and activate my Firelight BG12. And zoom in. Hopefully it's fixed out the test. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Circuit problem still seems to have fixed itself. Alright, now let's go ahead and activate the simplex key switch. I don't really know the model of the key switch. I'll put that on the screen right now. Alright, go ahead and get this focused. Alright, now let's activate the key switch. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, now I'll be right back with a slight modification. Alright, so I now have the weather resistant back box on the Spectralert. Actually, hang on, I forgot to change the tone. Alright, I now got the tone changed. I got it changed to continuous mechanical horn, and same thing for my Gentex Commander 3. Now let's go ahead and key activate the notifier. Here we go. Hang on. Alright, ready? 3, 2, hang on. Right, 3, 2, 1. Alright, hopefully this time it's on continuous. Now let's go ahead and key activate the BG12. Alright, here we go. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Alright, hopefully this time, I hope this time I have it on continuous. Let's key activate the notifier again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go, that's more like what I was looking for. Alright, that will be pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.